Mthombeni ungijwayela kabi. Ungitshela ukuthi angimi-ede kwi-medical aid. Imi-ede ngenkani. Angazi kahle ukuthi ngifonele James. Ngifonele James. Hello? Yes, sis. Yes. Yes. Ngicela ukukhuluma noPenelope. No, sesingiyazi ukuthi nawe ungangisiza kodwa ngifuna uPenelope ngoba uPenelope uyena oyaziyo le ndaba yami. It's a long story. Yes, Penelope understands. So please, can you put me through to Penelope? Is she working today? Okay. Can I please? She understands. If I tell the story to you, it will be too long. Yeah. Penelope, my darling, how are you? Ngiyaphila. Remember, it's Mbali here. Mbali Mseleko. Uthando Nesithembu. Yes. Listen. You remember I called you to ask you if you received that form to add Mseleko on my medical aid. You remember? Yes. Then I called you and I said you must not add him. You remember? Remember that too. And then I called you and I said add him. You remember? Now I am calling to say don't add him. No, Penelope. Yes. Last week I said add him. You know, did you already add him? You were about to capture. Yeah, don't capture. Yes. But don't destroy the form. Just put it on your right-hand side. Put it there. Yes. But don't add him. Penelope, please say this after me. Don't add Musa Mseleko on medical aid. Say it. Yes. If the Cele family calls you, if family Kamacele, if they call you, don't take the call. Yes, don't add him. Yes. Ima Penelope. Penelope. So this is what I want you to do so that I don't bother you every week, ne? Instead of me calling you, say add, say don't add, say add, say don't add him, ne? What I want you to do, do you have DSTV? You don't have DSTV? How are we going to solve this problem? Do you have Capitec? Okay. Give me your Capitec number. Give me your Capitec number. Okay. You know what I'll do, ne? I don't have Capitec, ne? I will give this number to Sne, ne? Then I will ask Makomalo to pay some madlanyana for drink to Sne, and then Sne will transfer to you because I know Makomalo doesn't have Capitec, you see. Yes. So, yes, the drink money, please use the drink money to pay for DSTV, ne? And make sure that in the package 161 is there. Yeah. Yes, listen, Penelope, listen. I'm not done. Then Penelope, what you need to do, Penelope, is to watch the episode of Uthando Nesithembu on Thursday. Ne? Watch Musa Mseleko's behavior. Watch Mthombeni's behavior. Ne? And then, but wait, don't add him or watch on Wednesday, don't add him. And then watch on Thursday. If between Thursday, if you add Wednesday and Thursday, and it's equals to good behavior, you add him on my medical aid, ne? But if you watch him and he is misbehaving, he is shouting at me, he is lying to me, he is saying I'm not a good person, don't add him. So take that from Penelope. Are you still listening? You see now, just because I spoke about the Capitec, now you're thinking only about the Capitec. Pelemakumalo is not going to send the money if you don't do this, ne? What I need you to do is watch the episode on Wednesday and Thursday. Add it together. and then decide, did Mthombeni behave? If he was good to me on Wednesday and Thursday, add him to the medical aid. But if he was rude in any of the episodes, put the form aside. You understand me? Yes. So take a sticky note. Yes, like you guys work shift sometimes. So if someone else is sitting at your desk, you must just put a sticky note there. Write this on a sticky note. You will stick it on the form. Say, Mthombeni behaves, add. Mthombeni misbehave, don't add. And then write in another sticky note, what channel 161, Uthando Nesithembu at 8 p.m. Wednesday and Thursday night. You see, Penelope? Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my darling. You always help me. Other people don't understand my complicated query, but you always help me. Thank you so much, Penelope. No. Listen, Penelope. Listen. Can you check for me there? Something else. Penelope, I wanted to check if Mayeni has tried to add Musamseleko. You are not allowed. Remember, I have your Capitec. Yes. Did she try? Hey, that's why I love you, Penelope. Hey, that's why I love you, Penelope. Yes, your Capitec will go quickly now. I'm going to call Makumalo now and say she must do the things. Hey, thank you, Penelope. Hey, yes, James must promote you. Hey, but no, they must not promote you. Who's going to help me if they promote you? Thank you, Penelope. Goodbye. Your Capitec is coming, my darling. It is coming. Hey, bye, Penelope. Hey, no, I must call Delusional. What did she do? How about Delusional? Hey, let me call her. Uzomuzwa ke uzothi usoshabeni lo. Hey, wekhanya. Kade ngifonele James. Hayi man, ngiyakhohlwa indaba ukuthi usoshabeni. Yeke indaba yasoshabeni. Kade ngifonele James. Bangitshelile mfazi. Bangitshelile. uPenelope uthi wena iform lakho uthe abathathe isticky note babhale bathi do not add Mseleko in this lifetime and the next lifetime and the next lifetime. Never ever add Mseleko. Wamkile umfowethu. Ubhuti wabantu. Ayihlala lapho shabeni ntokazi. Hlala lapho shabeni. Delusional. Ngimthanda lana ko delusional. Ahlala kanjalo shem. Delusional. Uthi don't add him. Uthi fonela Makhumalo ke manje. Hey, mnganami. Phela uPenelope must get Capitec kwakhe.